Well, tonight there are new developments in one of Charlotte's most shocking murder cases in recent history. Today, one of the 4 people charged in connection to the 2020 killing of Mary Collins was back in front of a judge. A hearing was held today regarding America Diehl's bond. In the last few hours, the motion to have her bond revoked was denied. Collins was killed in March of 2020 when investigators say she was lured into a NODA apartment and stabbed to death. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre is live outside of the Mecklenburg County Courthouse in Uptown. And was there anything new from this hearing? And also, Jesse, it was an emotional day in court.
You know, emotional is right. You know, at one point, Mary Collins' grandmother pulled out a photo of her granddaughter staring down at America Diehl. Now, again, during the hearing today, prosecutors argued that Diehl allegedly violated the conditions of her release multiple times, accusing her of missing curfew and failing to charge her ankle monitor. Diehl's attorney pushed back, saying Diehl has no prior record, always shows up when called, and any problems only happened after switching to a new ankle monitoring company. The judge ultimately making the decision to deny the motion to revoke the bond. Diehl no longer has to wear an ankle monitor, but her curfew remains in place. Outside of the courthouse, Collins' family spoke out, outrage, saying they've waited years for justice.
Bled Mary's blood out of her body, okay, into their bathtub, into the Charlotte sewer system. Her blood, her precious blood, my bone, my Mary. No, I have nothing to say to her. She is a monster.
I feel like I've been violated over and over again, not just with what happened to my daughter, but every time I come to this courthouse. Every single time I come up here, I get another trauma on this, because nothing's going to bring my daughter back, but you could at least give me some justice.
Mary Collins, who had a cognitive disability, was 20 years old when investigators say she was lured to a NODA apartment and stabbed 133 times. Her body was found wrapped in plastic and stuffed inside a mattress. Diehl is not charged with murder in the death of Collins, but accessory after the fact and concealment of death. 3 others were charged with killing Collins. One pleaded guilty to second-degree murder and was sentenced to more than 2 decades behind bars. The other 2 are awaiting trial. Mary Collins' family say today's decision was more than difficult to hear, and they called it an injustice to Mary. Live in Uptown, Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.